overdue, I'm imbued, bursting at the seams. I don't know whether you've been doing better than you seem to. I know I shouldn't ask how you doing, but curiosity killed the human. Nothing left to lose, running out of excuses. Can't deny it's true, yeah it's true. Baby, lately I've been feeling blue.
Fit check, Ate Bel. Bucket hat from Stussy.
Oh, may ganon.
Polo from Tommy Hill. Vest from Stradi. Shoes from CDG. Socks from Nike. Bag from Ate Nick.
Top from Zara. Skirt from Zara. Sneakers from Gucci. Bag ko from Gucci. Ano? Watch from Tag Heuer. Bracelets from Dior and Pandora. Ring from Pandora. Necklace from Pandora.
Hair from Dyson.
Okay.
Okay.
Taste test. Banana bread. Dun, 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 dun.
Best banana bread from EDSA Shang. Moist
Yup.
and chewy.
Creamy. Delicious.
The best.
Oo eh.
Thinking about the fight and the mess. Never got to say goodbye, but I'm holding on to all these lies.
Ayan. Ay, ano yan? Oh my God. Oh! Si my birthday.
Ba't may birthday
Sinabi
ka?
ko sa daddy mo, 50th. Tignan mo kung ano nakasuhin.
Sino my birthday?
Daddy mo.
Ay, what's sabi mo?
Happy 18th birthday!
Dapat happy yet.
But nasa tamang room ba tayo?
We grew. Do you think about me too?
오늘도 fancy해 매일매일 시끌벅적해 하루도 쉴 틈이 없어 왜 No way Having achievement 아무것도 하기 싫은데 사실 나는 so very lazy No way
Dito.
Chunky girl. Pakita mo.
Huwag mong pakita to. Nakakahiya. Kanina naman maayos yung dalawa.
naman yung dala-dala ko.
Kanina maayos yung dalawa. Kanina maayos yung dalawa. Di mo yun natin.
Ano ba dala mo kanina?
Kanina Zara. Saka Zara.
Chunky girl.
Chunky girl.
Ayan.
Hindi ka kakain nito.
Bakit? Ito. Yes, fit check. Fit check.
Ano makita yung plastic?
Fit check. Aray!
Ano makita?
Yes, iStudio. Habang ito.
Ano makita?
Paulit-ulit.
Ba't sa bawal huhingi ako ng malaking paper bag?
Sabi mo sa Chunky girl, sabi ko, di naman kakilala to. Sino ba ito?
Kanina yung dala ka, home at home, di mo inano.
Home farm.
Home at home, di mo visual.
Oh my gosh, ito para kay Gia. Christmas.
Ito, so yung mga ganito, oh. Yung mga ganyan.
Mahal naman ng 370 treats lang.
Bigyan mo na lang.
Wag na lang.
Bigyan mo na lang si
Gia, makishare ka na lang.
Wala yung paper.
Kita na na yun.
Ito. Sino po ba? Sino po yan? Hindi naman kakalado yun.
Hanapin mo yung ano?
Oo, tama.
Chicken and sweet potatoes and
340.
peanut butter.
Diba may dalang basket na doon.
Lagyan mo dyan yung chinanggi mo.
Chicken and sweet potatoes.
Even so wow. Thank you, thank you. 빛이 나는 눈밖에 city lights. 너네들이 나를 띄우네. 고맙다라는 말은 아낄게. Fuck you, fuck you.
Ate Bel, anong titikman natin? Meron tayong chocolate. Ako gusto ko yung crispy chocolate. Okay. Taste natin yung crispy chocolate. Oh my gosh! Oh my corneto!
Bango.
Oh! Tan 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 tan! Corneto tips. Okay. Kalasa niyo yung corneto. Okay. Let's do a little haul of what I bought today. So first, from iStudio, bumili ako ng SD card reader kasi sira na yung akin. So, ayan. Ayan. Okay. Next, from K-Culture, I got 2 BTS albums. First is yung Love Yourself Answer version S. And next is yung Map of the Soul 7 version 2. Yan, in-unbox ko na tong dalawa on camera. So, then, bumili din ako ng Nature Republic Aloe Face Wash kasi ubos na yung akin. And, ito. Perfect Bites or Cornetto Tips. So, ayan. Bumili kami ng 5. Ito. Bumili rin pala kami ng sneakers from Burberry. So, this is what it looks like. Para siyang Converse-ish, pero hindi siya collab. And, ayan. Yan lang. So, that's it for the haul. Annyeong!
For your steak po, we'll just wait for around 30 seconds and after that, I will turn it.
California west side, we can walk on sky, staying lifted day and night. We can light it up inside. Oh, California west. C8, whipping in a V8. 지금까지 너가 경험해본 거에 비해 이건 신세계 붕 떠 like 구름 위에. Whipping palm trees swaying left and right of the freeway. Ay, fuck it up, run around Hollywood. All your girls they wish they could. Malibu and sunset 꿈만 같았던 장면들 극분보다 나은 현실로 만들어줄 테니까 girl let's go. California west side, we can walk on sky, staying lifted day and night. We can light it up inside.
K-pop eh.
Parang nakakita na sila.
Pink sky got me feeling fucking high. It's a different type of vibe. Oh, California west side chillin', we be west side chillin'. Ay, introduce you to the way the west side.
Orange ba yan? Orange nga, walang mango eh.
Bumpin' slappers got the rooftop shaking, got that Henny with me. Chase it with pink lemonade. 365 up in the west side, that's how we celebrate. Hold up, 5-0 at the door. Everybody keep it low, and when they bounce, we gon' turn this shit back up in California west side. We can walk on sky, staying lifted day and night. We can light it up inside. Oh, California, let's ride. Walking on pink sky, got me feeling fucking high. It's a different type of vibe. Oh, California west. What do you know? Ain't that serious? No, no. Got no worry on our minds. We don't hesitate to shine. Sunshine State where I be. Yeah. Party cause the city never sleeps. Yeah. Sun coming up and we don't give a fuck, cause this is what we motherfucking love. California west side.
Ay, sige.
Ay, di may Stradivarius naman.
Stradi. So, we're going to Stradivarius. Cause I love you for infinity.
I love you for infinity.
Oo, sige. Saan tayo pupunta? Dito tayo dumiretso din. O, diba? Di naman ako sarap.
California west.
Well, kaya nga
Hindi.
hindi ako masyadong nakabili kasi
Hindi
si
nga eh.
Zara lang yung
Opo.
nagustuhan ko eh.
Thank you.
You know you fucking with.
So, we're here outside siya.
Zara lang ako naman.
California west.
What's up? We're walking to Shangri-La Mall. Tapos ko kailangan
Of
vaccination card. Wala
Hello.
akong dala. Hindi, parang hindi naman hiningi.
Bakit si
Ah, diba-
Shangri-La Mall of Asia?
Hindi naman siguro Joe Malone, no?
Ay, pwede yung Joe Malone.
So, umikot ng Rustans.
Ay, Star.
Ay, okay lang ka ng
Yung
Manta
Manta
Truck.
Truck.
Actually,
Okay.
iikot-ikot kami pero wala akong dalang pera.
Eh, pero Joe.
Ay, ito meron pala.
Can I help you out? Do I make you smile? Oh, don't act like you owe me now. While you sit and watch, look at me go up. Oh, how funny life can be. Oh, lie, 뻔한 거짓말. Oh, bye, only 26. Oh, lie, 괜찮다는 말. Oh, why did I care so much? All I got